rockets and overhead bins are all belonging to brought on board. Please take care when opening the overhead bins as the contents may have shifted during the flight. Once inside the terminal building, connecting gate information will be provided by information signs, television monitors, or a Continental representative. On behalf of Continental, your Houston-based flight crew and our Star Alliance, we thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We hope you have a pleasant stay here in Austin, or the city or country of your final destination. Thank you and have a good weekend.